Hello and welcome to YouTube channel Abuzz. Today we are going to tell you about logistic activities of Apple Incorporation. But first, what is logistic activities? Logistic activities are the process that a company uses to move their product from factory to consumer. It is important to have a well-functioning logistics system because it streamlines the process of moving product, which decreases the cost and help you reach out customer more quickly. A good logistics system uses automation to reduce human error, meaning that your product will be shipped faster with fewer mistakes. This also means that you will be able to track how many units are sent per day or week, and you will know exactly how much inventory you need to stock at any given point of time. This report will be answering four major questions regarding logistic activities of Apple Incorporation.
I'm going to discuss how the organization makes sure its logistics activities are environment friendly. The Apple Incorporation uses number of friendly environmental practices. In that they do recycling up to 95% of the materials are recycled, and they reduce the CO2 emission up to 60% by using ocean freight. Ocean freight is something in which all the products, majority of the products have been using through shipped through the ocean, and Apple has been carbon neutral since 2020, and by 2030 all the Apple products are going to be carbon neutral. Apple has started using renewable energy in all of their offices, and they also started reducing the package size of the products so that they can recycle quickly. Apple uses green materials in their packaging, such as paper and cardboard that is made from recycled fibers, or the plastics which are easily recyclable.
Now, moving forward, I'll talk about Apple's initiative to improve its logistic carbon footprint. In order to minimize the carbon footprint of its logistic operations, Apple has taken several steps. First, it has increased the number of renewable energy sources used to power its data centers. In 2016 and 2017, Apple added solar installation at several locations in order to provide clean energy for these facilities. The company also purchased renewable energy certificates, or RECs, from other facilities that have been certified as using renewable power. Secondly, Apple has decreased its reliance on diesel fuel by switching to electric trucks and vans in order to transport products between factories and warehouses. The vehicles are powered by batteries, charged at night when electricity is cheaper and cleaner than during peak hours during the day. Thirdly, Apple has reduced packaging size by increasing efficiency in material use and recycling waste products into new ones through closed-loop systems such as paper mills that recycle paper into cardboard pellets used again by other manufacturers or retailers to sell products made with recycled materials rather than virgin ones harvested from trees or mineral mined out of the ground. This reduces energy use in manufacturing process and reduces landfill space needed for disposal of unused materials after they have been served their purpose in one industry before being recycled into another one where they become valuable again.
Now let's talk about the recommendations for this organization to be more environmentally friendly. Apple should invest in technology that will research plastic for better purpose. This will help them understand how plastic is made and what kind of chemicals are used in its production. This information will be useful for future development of most sustainable products for consumers who want to avoid plastic altogether or find alternatives like glass or metal containers that are not harmful to our health or environment. Apple should also look into ways that can reduce CO2 emissions from their facilities and transportation by using renewable energy sources such as solar panels on rooftops at factories instead of fossil fuels like coal or oil, which produce massive amounts of greenhouse gas emissions into atmosphere every year, causing climatic change problem worldwide. Apple has made great strides in reducing their environmental impact. They have launched initiatives to recycle old iPhones and other Apple devices. They have built renewable energy plants, and they have increased their focus on environmentally friendly products.
Moving forward, we're going to discuss about how the Apple company saves money through the environmental initiative through the logistic activities. Apple is very committed to protecting the environment, and this is why they have implemented several initiatives to help save money in their logistic operations. One way they do this is by using recycled materials for packaging. In fact, in 2030, Apple began using paper packaging that has been pre-printed only on one side rather than two sides. This change not only reduced waste by 50%, it also resulted in 75% reduction in energy used during the printing. Nice idea, right? One of the initiatives which Apple took was not giving chargers adapter with your iPhones. They saved a lot of money while doing that. Not only in the manufacturing department but also in the logistic department. Moreover, them charger adapters were replaced with wireless technology, which also reduced both of the manufacturing and the shipping cost. This saved Apple 30 million USD annually, which was a great deal for them. Thank you.
To conclude, logistics is a huge part of any organization, and it can be challenging to make sure that your logistic activities are environment friendly. This company has done well in regards with the carbon footprint that is smaller than the industry average and has a strong focus on green initiative. The company could do more to improve the logistic carbon footprint by creating an even more sustainable supply chain and offering incentive for employees who walk or bike to work. Additionally, they could reduce their fuel consumption and vehicle emission by using electric vehicles in some part of their fleet, such as those who used emergency response. The company is already doing well at saving money through their environmental initiative through their logistic activity by making sure that all of their facilities are LEED certified and implementing other green initiatives such as recycling programs. However, there are still ways for them to save money through these efforts. For example, reducing waste disposal cost by encouraging employees to bring reusable water bottles rather than buying single use plastic would save money both directly and indirectly. Thank you.